Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Xin Korea, go Vietnam, travel.
Oppa, oppa.
Oppa.
Korea oppa.
Yeah, Korea oppa.
Yeah. My 동생.
Hôm nay chúng tôi go nhà hàng restaurant seafood, fish sashimi, fish mochi L7 làm sashimi and soup.
That's what we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat
Yeah.
seafood, sashimi,
Sashimi.
and also the fish soup.
Ah, yeah.
Fresh.
Fresh strong.
You have
The
to-
sashimi okay. Fish the best, no sashimi.
Okay. Smart. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's very nice and warm here, and tonight is actually my last night with the Thuy. Thuy's been a wonderful person who has greeted me and also made me feel very happy while I'm with her. And she is just joyful and just full of smile and full of happy.
Me too.
So we're gonna cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheer in Vietnamese is what?
Uống.
Uống. Or
Chúc mừng uống.
okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
And she is so beautiful. She has an amazing feature. Very nice skin, very smooth, and also very nice body feature. She very sexy, very romantic.
Thank you, Jin.
Yeah, very thoughtful and very kind.
I like his man Korea, handsome and very smart,
Oh,
and
thank you.
romantic. Together good, so good. Yes.
So we're currently waiting for our food, and the food is going to take about, like maybe 45 minutes, 30 minutes or more, because there are a lot of other people waiting for their seafood. And the fish we have, picked. We hand-picked our fish that we're going to eat, right? And we're just waiting for them and enjoying the very nice atmosphere here. At this place is called what is this place called? An Toi.
An Toi, Nha Trang, An Toi.
Yeah, Haisan. Yeah. Hassan seafood An Toi.
An Toi, sashimi.
An Toi sashimi with the Thuy. Okay?
Jin like sashimi.
I like sashimi.
Sashimi, fish that strong, very strong. Bơi, sashimi good so
It's
good.
good for your health, skin, beauty. It's better. You eat a lot of fish, it's going to make you look very pretty and slim, no fat.
No fat, yes, sashimi no
Because
fat.
that's how Thuy keeps her body very slender and slim. You see, can you stand up a little bit? Can you stand up?
Stand up.
You stand up. Yeah, stand up. And can you just turn around like that? Yeah. You see her figure. Very beautiful. Yes. Yeah. Ah, the filter.
Very happy. Morning today, I'm Thuy and Jin go Han Market buy head so nice. Two-headed. Two-headed. Two-headed.
Hat. Or we bought two hats.
Chair.
Right.
Yes, so nice. For me one. For Jean two.
It's a Chanel.
Yeah.
Chanel.
Yes.
Chanel.
Chanel.
Yes.
Chanel. Yeah, Chanel. One Chanel.
I bought her a Chanel hat.
One
and the-
Chanel.
one Choli.
One Choli.
Yeah, Choli. Yeah, one Choli hat.
I like Choli.
Oh yeah.
Hat the Choli.
This was a different hat. Yeah.
So beautiful. So
She likes the hat that I bought her. So we're very happy and we're ready to eat some seafood. And,
Yeah.
we're going to go to actually Novotel nightclub, rooftop, lounge to dance.
Then
Yeah.
together then I love dance.
Yeah. So me and Tui, we're going to go dance tonight.
Tonight go with
Jin.
Jin dance. I'm very happy. I like it. I love dance. I'm very happy.
Good. I am so happy that you're happy.
Yeah, Jin happy. I am happy.
We
I
all
am
are
happy. Jin happy.
So we want you to be happy.
Yes. I like the seafood. Restaurant seafood here so good. I view the beach. Mi Khê and Bắc Mỹ An, Đà Nẵng, Việt Nam. Mời các bạn welcome và chào mừng các bạn đến Đà Nẵng tourist, Đà Nẵng go Đà Nẵng tourist. Welcome tip, welcome.
Welcome to Da Nang.
Welcome and love.
Bye from
No, from
Oh, we still have, okay.
Còn please sashimi go table. Sashimi go
Yeah, we have to
table.
come back. We have to cut and we have to come back. So we will be right back.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, okay?
Yeah. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Can you just wait 3 minutes?
3 minutes? No, just 3 minutes.
Okay, you want to leave.
No, again. No.
Okay, you talk, okay? So you talk. I'm going to go to our bathroom and Tui is going to tell you everything about this place, okay?
Okay, you
Yeah.
go again.
So now it's all yours, okay?
Okay.
You take over the mic.
Okay. Trong lúc chờ đợi nhà bếp chuẩn bị món ăn 35 phút một sự chờ đợi hơi lâu một chút, nhưng để được thưởng thức một món ăn mà rất là ngon miệng và very healthy là Jin nói rằng là không có béo, thì sự chờ đợi này thì Phương Thúy nghĩ là cũng rất là xứng đáng. Nhà hàng rất là đông khách, rất đông khách ở đây, và chúng tôi đang ngồi chờ đợi ở đây để thưởng thức món ăn của đầu bếp số 1 của nhà hàng sẽ chuẩn bị cho chúng tôi món sashimi và một món súp. Con cá rất là khỏe mạnh, cho nên riêng gia đình tôi rằng là ăn món sashimi. Tuy rằng Thúy rất ít ăn sashimi, nhưng hôm nay Phương Thúy sẽ thử sashimi. Wow. Sashimi is so good. Wow. So big, so nice. Rất là tuyệt vời. Wow. Các bạn nhìn lúc đẹp, nó rất là đẹp, một bức tranh rất là đẹp sashimi. Tạm biệt các bạn, chúc ngày tốt lành.